Hi friends, my name is Gautam Reddy. Today I am going to explain what is Terraform. So Terraform is nothing but an infrastructure provisioning tool which help us to build, change and versioning the infrastructure safely and efficiently. So what is mean by provisioning means provisioning is nothing but creating the new, okay, whether it is creating the new infrastructure. For example, suppose you got a new project, so for your new project you need to create the infrastructure. So what is the best tool for creating the infrastructure means we can use the Terraform. So by writing the code you are automating the creation of infrastructure. So you are writing the template, and by running the template you can create the infrastructure like creating the servers, networking, everything. Okay, so you can create the infrastructure, and at the same time you can change the infrastructure, and at the same time you can version the infrastructure by using this Terraform tool. Create it. After creation, after 2 months or 3 months, if you want to make any changes to your infrastructure, you can change it by making the changes in the template, and when you run the template again your infrastructure will be updated. And versioning means your infrastructure template will be stored in the some source code, so that it will be helpful for us future after 1 year if you want to know what is the infrastructure you have constructed for your project whenever it is in the starting stage. And next, after 3 to 4 months, what is the changes in your infrastructure you have done, that will be there in the template, and the templates are stored in the some version control tool, so we can call it as we can version the infrastructure. And next, what is the main heart of Terraform means configuration files. The configuration files describe the Terraform, the components needed to run a single application or your entire data center. Okay, suppose if you want to build the application which need to be run on a server, so you can write the code and mention everything in the configuration file. So in Terraform mainly we have the main.tf file. So in that main.tf file you will write the code, whatever the infrastructure you want to build, and when you execute that code, when you execute that main.tf file, your infrastructure will be created. So there are different commands are there, by that we will run that. So basically there are 3 commands are there. First, Terraform init, it will initializes the Terraform environment for you. So it will check the configuration files, and whatever the providers are there, it will download that plugins to your local system. Once it is downloaded, then you need to say Terraform plan. And what is Terraform plan means, it will generate the plan, so it will give you the complete information what it is going to do when you run this script. So what are the components it's going to create, so whether it's going to create servers, whether it's going to create volumes, whether it is going to create network, everything it will generate in the plan. If you think that the plan whatever it generated is right, then you can do Terraform apply command, so then your infrastructure will be created. So see here, Terraform generates an execution plan describing what it will do to reach the desired state, and then executes it to build the desired infrastructure. So basing upon that execution plan, if you think that it is right, then you can continue it, otherwise you can stop the execution. And next, infrastructure Terraform can manage include low level components. So what we call low level components are such as compute, instance, storage and networking. So we call this as low level components. Compute is nothing but the processor, and where storage is nothing but a hard disk, and networking is nothing but networking we will connect 2 or more computers. Okay, and as well as high level components like DNS entries, domain name entries. Okay, and SaaS features, software as a service features. And next one, Terraform is able to determine what changed and create incremental execution plans which can be applied. So whenever you want to change the infrastructure, so Terraform will able to understand what changed in the previous state and what it is going to do, and it will generate the incremental plan basing upon that. So whatever is written in that main.tf file, it will compare with the previous one. If any changes are there, then it will try to implement that new changes. If no changes are there, it will give you the message that already infrastructure is up to date. So that is nothing but a Terraform. So once again I am saying, repeating, what is meant by Terraform means, Terraform is an infrastructure provisioning tool which help us to build, change and versioning of the infrastructure safely and efficiently. So you are doing by writing the infrastructure as a code. That means you are writing code, and by executing the template you are creating the, you are building the infrastructure, you are changing the infrastructure, and you are versioning the infrastructure. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, please comment me in the comment section. Thank you.